How to delete Wattpad account on Android or iOS. So deletion of Wattpad account on Android or iOS is quite simple and easy. Just follow all the steps till the end of the video. Let me inform you that you cannot delete Wattpad account on Android or iOS using the application itself because when you open or launch Wattpad application, tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap gear icon. When you go through all this option, you won't find any deletion account option. So instead, you need to open the web version of Wattpad. Open any browser on your device. With the help of the search bar or web address bar, type in wattpad.com and log in to the Wattpad account. So once you successfully enter or open the web version of Wattpad account, tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. And once you're on the profile, you need to keep scrolling down so that you will get the option at the bottom of the screen to view full size. Simply tap on it. And once the full size view opens, you need to again tap on the profile picture at top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings on this drop down menu box. When the settings page appears, you need to scroll to the bottom of the screen to get the option for close account. Tap on it. Then you have to tell the reason why you want to leave or delete your Wattpad account. You can easily choose any one of the options from here. Or if you want to type in anything, you can easily use the box that is underneath that and easily type in anything. And after that, you need to confirm your password. Once you confirm your password, you need to tap on the close account button. And after that, your Wattpad account will be completely deleted permanently on your iOS or Android devices. So that is how we delete Wattpad account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching.